Hello everyone, it's me Jackie Dengs. For today's video, I will show you my two beautiful fur babies. Ayan. Ito po si Jasper Liit at ito naman si Candice Liit. Kamukha niya yung kanyang tatay, kamukha niya naman yung kanyang nanay. So ito po yung kanilang mommy. Ayan po yung kanilang mommy. Yung daddy nasa labas. So yun. Candice, look at your mom. Candice, thank you for giving me a beautiful anak. Thank you, Candice, for giving me this. Wow, beautiful baby. Beautiful baby. Yan. By the way, parehas po silang lalaki. Ayan o. Parehas silang lalaki. Oh my gosh. You're so cute, anak. Ang ganda-ganda ng mga apo ko. Ng mga bambi ko. Ito yung mga anak ko. Apo ko to Oo. Sus lang po. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching. God bless.